Hey guys, my name is Robert. I am next to my wife's 2013 LX570, and the reason why I'm out here is there is a maintenance light on. It's a little over 80,000 miles, maintenance reminder light. I want to show you how to reset it. It's super quick, but it does take a couple steps. If you don't get those steps right, then you can't get it. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, I gotta fix this chair because she's short. She's 5'2", and I'm 6'1". So let me get in here. So basically, the issue is start the car. Lexus comes up. Just waiting for it. Usually there's a reminder. There you go. The maintenance required right there. So what we have to do is we gotta make sure the trip odometer button is set so it says trip A right there, and now we're gonna kill the ignition. Technically you shouldn't have to start the car, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. So now we're gonna kill it. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold down the trip odo button, and we're gonna have to tap it twice so it goes into like an accessory start mode before it's like when you're starting the car, but without putting your foot on the pedal. Let's see if I can get going here. So one, and one more. So now all the lights are on, and you can see it saying resetting data, maintenance data right there on top. And that's it. Now you can put the auto back on the regular one, hit the engine. So if I were to start it, let me just do the whole spiel. See, after I started the vehicle, there is no more reminder for the maintenance. So that's it. Super quick video. Just wanted to show you guys how to do it. Not a lot of people have that many videos. Thanks for watching. Peace out.